Extraction Black Hawk shot down 3 clicks from your mark. We're getting reports of multiple tangos advancing on your position. Situation in the region is dire. A large terrorist force is advancing on the capital. Repel the enemy's advance on the palace. Destroy all enemy armor to facilitate extraction. Stay alive. Extraction vehicle is on its way. Use any necessary force to defend your position. A convoy is on its way to evacuate you. ETA 6 minutes. The palace you're in is in bad shape. Defend it at all costs from RPGs and tanks, or it'll come down around you.
Your priority is to kill the RPG's gunners. Make sure the palace is not destroyed. Mortar fire! Incoming! RPG!
Enemy reinforcements moving in!
RPG!
Tank coming up the road!
What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank. The RPG is in the back. Go get it, quickly! What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank. What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank. What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank.
Yeah!
RPG!
Tank!
What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank. RPG! I've got numerous hostiles to the northeast.
Chief, go help Dozer on the left side.
RPG! 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 More tanks coming from the front. Chief, hit them! RPG!
Enemy tank coming up the road!
RPG! What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank! RPG! What are you waiting for, Chief? Get that RPG and shoot that tank!
That's what I'm talking about!
They're pulling back! Stay sharp! They're up to something. Water fire!
Chief,
Hostile
Fox
from the
needs help with the
northwest.
right wing.
Chief, go help Fox on the right side!
RPG! 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 Man down! I need a man on that machine gun. Fall back to the second floor. Fox, Dozer, find something to block the stairs. Cover us, Chief. We'll take down any tangos before they get inside the palace. Hold this position. Rescue will be here in 1 minute. Evac vehicle's finally here!
The local government has been overthrown by Abu Baha, a known terrorist and longtime anti-American proponent. The entire region has been overrun.